The 5S Workplace Organization Method is a world-renowned method of creating and maintaining a clean and orderly workplace. 5S is usually associated with the phrase, "a place for everything and everything in its place." The method is most commonly used in industrial settings to eliminate waste, which means removing anything that does not add value in the workplace. Any clutter or improper arrangement of manufacturing shop floors results in a rise in defects, delays, losses, and safety hazards, all of which affect employee morale. Since 5S has become a global standard, it has now become a part of the lean manufacturing methodology that focuses on minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. Implementing 5S helps organizations achieve efficiency and profitability in complex industrial shop floors. In complex industrial setups, where a varied workforce handles a variety of machines and materials in different processes, shifts, and geographies, implementing 5S helps achieve an orderly, uniform, clean, and safe workplace for everyone. Some companies have begun to add safety as the 6th S to make it the 6S method. A typical 5S team on the shop floor consists of a champion-led cross-functional team of up to 5 members who own and implement 5S in an area of about 1,000 square feet per team. 5S needs both leadership push, organizational planning, and individual participation across the company in a sustained manner for its success.